How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can make a custom trail with only one object in Geometry Dash. Now, basically, the first thing that you want to do is to add the particle trigger. You could do that by heading over to this specific category of our build section. And then you could, of course, add this to wherever you want to. And then we could just click on the edit object, or edit special. Basically, from here, you could customize the object particles or the trail itself. And basically, in my case, I'm going to edit the texture to this specific trail right here, which is going to be stars. Now you want to go ahead and head over to the extra option and just make sure that the relative is turned on. So it will simply look something like this, and just make sure that the additive is also turned off. Now, simply after customizing the trail the way you want to, in my case, I'm simply fine with this one. And if we click on the edit object, as you can see, if we move it, there will be this trail right here. And if you want to make your trail nonstop or basically infinite, you could just click on the INF button. Once again, the most important thing right here is to make sure that the relative is turned on and the additive is turned off. Now, to make sure that our trail follows our character, what you need to do is to click edit group and then just add it to group number 1. Let's click on build. And then basically from here, you want to add another trigger called the advanced follow. That's going to be the last thing that we are going to add to our level. It's going to be this specific trigger right here. And then what you can do is to just click on edit object. Make sure that the target GIV is number 1. Same thing with this one, player 1, and basically that's going to be it. If we play out our level, it should look something like this. So I'm going to switch my level to a classic mode, and then I'm going to change it to the spaceship right here. So if we play out the level, it will simply look something like this. So let's go ahead and try another mode. And basically from there, you are good to go. Once again, you can customize the trail the way you want to. So let's just click on the edit special once more, and then let's click texture. And then let's go ahead and maybe edit out the trail into something like maybe this one. And that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.